painting woodwork, you will need a series of 3 tools: tape, sandpaper, and a good brush. When it comes to taping woodwork, make sure you choose a high quality tape. Here at the color store, we prefer to use frog tape. It does not allow bleeding and will give nice clean lines for your project. When taping, always remember to press the tape down firmly and keep your lines straight. Taping only a few inches at a time allows you to make better, cleaner lines. Sanding is an important step in the process. This will degloss and allow your primer to stick. When choosing sandpaper, you will want a medium to fine grit sanding block or 120 grit sandpaper. When sanding, make sure to go with the grain and not against the grain. When you have finished sanding, clean the wood with a lint-free cloth to remove all of the dust. For priming the wood, we chose Benjamin Moore's Fresh Start All-Purpose Latex Primer. We chose Benjamin Moore's Fresh Start All-Purpose Latex Primer because of its many great qualities. It will bond to our surface with great hiding and leveling, and it also is quick drying with minimal odor. When brushing on your primer, use long strokes to get an even coat. For our top coat, we chose Aura Satin. It is environmentally friendly, quick drying, and durable. Aura will cover in 1 coat, but we suggest 2 for the best look. It also will never yellow or fade like oil enamels. Also, touch-ups are a breeze with Aura. Thanks for watching the video. Check us out on Facebook for tips and Twitter for special deals.